you guys, Tam Cam here. So today I am shooting a long overdue video that someone requested on my Instagram. So today, if you notice by the title, I'm doing a luxury handbag collection. I guess it's for 2018, I guess, because all of these was purchased in 2018, which is kind of bad. But so today I'm doing a luxury handbag collection. I've been wanting to do this luxury handbag collection for a while now, but I kind of got a little bit delayed with it. So I finally got some time to actually do it. So we're about to get into it. So yeah, okay. So today I have a variety of my bags, all the bags that I have and own. I only own Gucci and Louis Vuitton as of this moment, because I get a little crazy with my shopping. I'm gonna start off just by picking bags, and I might state the price depending on how I feel, because I really don't like to talk prices, but I will state where I got it from, location wise, if it's pre-loved, brand new, etc, etc. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first one we're gonna go into is this Gucci bag. This is actually a toiletry bag. Comes in this nice hard shell box, and this is a toiletry men's bag. And if you don't know what a toiletry bag is, it's pretty much a bag that you keep your toiletries in, like if you keep like your makeup, your toothbrush, stuff like that. But that is not what I use it for. So it comes in this nice off-white dust bag. It's kind of like a satin color, and this is the beauty right here. So I got this bag when I was in Houston. This was last year. Was it May, I think? Me and my boyfriend went out to Houston, and I've been looking at this bag for a long time now, and so I got it in Houston. A part of me, I don't know how to feel about this bag anymore. Like, I love it, but I don't even wear it. Like, I wore it like I think once or twice, but I think the green and the red situation here is just kind of like throwing me off, and it kind of reminds me too much of Christmas. I don't know, a part of me feels like I need to sell it, but I kind of don't want to. But if I do sell it, I think I might just get like 2 belts or something like that. So one thing I do like about it, that it is this coated canvas on the outside. It's not like the old Gucci where they didn't have the coated canvas and it was just the fabric material. But this part is fabric, which I kind of don't like, because if I feel something on it, it will make a stain. Then on the sides they have, this is leather, I believe. So yeah. And the inside has this suede material. I like the color of it because it's not easy to stain, which I'm a type of person that carry lipsticks and everything, so yeah, we don't want that to stain. Okay, so the next item, I'm gonna go Gucci Louis. I don't think I have an even amount, but we're gonna just see how far I go. So the next item, oh okay, so this is actually another toiletry bag by Louis Vuitton. I got this. This is a pre-loved handbag, and this is my pride and possession. I love this bag so much. This bag, I was able to get it off of eBay from a Japan seller. Now I know how y'all feel, eBay, like, oh no, like eBay, like it gotta be fake. No, I actually got this bag authenticated. And one thing with eBay Japan sellers, compared to China, like Hong Kong sellers, Hong Kong is more specialized in the counterfeits, which I'm not really a fan of, and Japan doesn't deal with counterfeits. So I got this toiletry bag, and it's in beautiful condition. It's the older model toiletry bag. I use this bag as a clutch the same way how I use the Gucci toiletry bag, and this is so old that the lining is completely different from the newer one. The newer one has like a cream color, and it's like a makeup, it's a wipeable lining inside, so you can wipe it with like a makeup wipe. But this one is not like this, but this is like made out of, I believe this is leather, I think so. But I love this bag so much, and I got it off of eBay for I think like maybe like $180 or something like that. So I was like, oh my gosh, and I wear this all the time. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen this bag 1,000,001 times, because I love it so much. Okay, so the next bag is this Gucci belt bag that I got from the Gucci outlet store in San Francisco, I guess, or Livermore, California. So this is the old model Gucci box. how it's brown and it has the embossed Gucci symbols on it. So I got this from the outlet store when I was traveling in Sacramento, and I decided to take a drive over there. So I'm like, I can't not go to the Gucci outlets. They have an outlet for Gucci. I gotta go. So this bag came in this brown dust bag, and it still has a tag on it. I just never took it off. So this, I love this fanny bag, belt bag, whatever you want to call it. This is the Gucci fanny pack. I like to wear it across my chest a lot. It's so cute and it's so big. Like, you could put so much stuff on it. Every now and then I might wear it around my waist, but most of the time I wear it around my chest. So this is the old canvas style that I was talking about. It's not coated at all, so it can be easily stained, but I have not stained it just up yet. I've worn it maybe like 4 times so far, so it's still in good condition. I love this fanny pack. This fanny pack was, I think, $4.19, I think so, which is good. You know, it was an outlet, so it's not the complete full price, but it's not like that cheap either. Okay, so the next bag is here, my baby. So this is the Speedy 30 by Louis Vuitton. I love this. This is in a size 30. Louis Vuitton have, I believe, 3 sizes to the Speedy. They have a size 25, 30, 35, and 40. So 4 sizes. And then from there they go up to the it's called the, not the Neverfull, it's called the Keepall. So when it goes up higher in a number, it's considered a Keepall. So this is the Speedy 30 in the Bandouliere version, and that's the version with the strap on it. If you know me, I love to wear bags that have a strap on it. I love shoulder like crossbody bags all the time. So I got this, and this is inside of the damier ebene print, not the monogram print with, you know, that says the LV all over. I love this print, and I've always wanted this bag since I was like in high school. Like, I've always seen this bag and I was like, I need to get it, and I finally got it. It's literally like a bowling bag. Like, it has a big inside. I have an organizer in here. I have like junk in here, but anyways, I have an organizer in here. I got this organizer from eBay, and it pretty much helps you get a little bit organized, because without it, it's just really like just a empty black hole, like, and I don't really like that. But the organizer, it helps me out a lot. Okay, so the next bag is this Scoochie bag. This is the Gucci Marmont Matelasse black camera bag. I did a long review on this bag. I got this bag in San Jose, California. I've been looking at this bag for a long time, and I just think it's so cute. I just love how, like, you know, just the juji here. It's not like juji all over like the other 2 bags that I have, but it's just nice and subtle. I love black. The black bag, you know, it pretty much goes with everything, and I just love the chevron design. Also love that it has just a little bit of gold detailing on it. So yeah, if you want to see the full review of this bag, just click on the link above. So yeah, I really love this bag. The only thing that I have a problem with about this bag is the fact of the lining. I talked about this lining in my review on this entire bag, but the lining is this like mauve suede material, and it is so easily stainable. Like, I don't know if you can see the stains good, but this is lipstick. Like y'all don't understand how upset I'll be looking at this bag every single time when I wear this bag. Like, it's got to the point to where I put a lipstick in like a plastic bag, like a Ziploc bag, before I put it in here, because I don't want no more stains, and I need to figure out how to remove these stains, y'all. But outside of that, I like everything else about the bag. Just the only thing I don't like is the interior, but it is what it is now. So my next bag is, I haven't worn this bag in a little minute. Okay, so this bag is the favorite MM. This is a crossbody bag, or you could wear it as a shoulder bag. It comes with the vachetta strap. And this is in the monogram print. I love this bag a lot. When I seen a lot of people wearing this, I was like, I gotta get my hands on this bag. I love it so much. The only thing I don't like about it is just this gold part, because it gets so scratchy so easily when it rubs against things. I used to have like a little piece of tape here that kind of prevented it from getting scratched, but it's kind of too late. I love the inside. This is how the inside looks, with this beautiful, like, I feel like it's like almost like a chocolatey, like burgundy color. I wear this bag most of the time as a crossbody bag. I don't really wear it as a clutch at all because I have the toiletry bag. So yeah, but I do love this bag a lot. Now this is my all-time, I feel like it's my all-time favorite bag. This baby here, this is my baby. So this bag, ooh, child. Okay, so this bag, this is the Keepall 45 bag. This is like the larger version of the Speedy, okay? But it's called the Keepall. So this is a 45 size. This is the smallest size for the Keepall. I got this bag. This is also a pre-loved handbag. This bag is actually older than me. I think this bag is like 30 something years old, and it is in such gorgeous condition. Oh my gosh, so beautiful condition. So I use this handbag a lot for travel purposes. I use it as a carry-on for the airport, because it's so easily to fit underneath the airplane seats, like in front of you. So yeah, I don't check this bag in. Lesson to be learned, y'all. Okay, this didn't happen to me, but never check in luxury handbags, ever, ever, ever. Don't check them in. They only need to be carried on, because you may not see it once you get off the plane. But yeah, so this bag is my favorite. I even got the luggage tag embossed with my initials at the Louis Vuitton store. I love this bag so much, y'all, so much. I was so happy when I found this bag, and like I saved like over $1,000 on this bag. This bag costs, I can't remember what the original price of this bag is, but I feel like it's like maybe like $1,500 to $1,700, and I did not spend nowhere near there. This bag is my baby. So what I do with this bag, I like to keep it stuffed if I'm not using it, because obviously I'm not on a plane every single second. So I just like to keep it stuffed with my airplane pillow and a bunch of fleece, just so it could keep its shape a little bit. And then this is also in the bandouliere version, where it has a strap. So I like it because I could easily like walk around the airport with it on my shoulder, or if my shoulder gets kind of tired, I can wear it as a top handle. So I like having the option the same way how I have options with the Speedy. Okay, so I'm a crossbody girl. If I could get it crossbody. I don't know why a part of me feels like I'm missing a handbag. I don't know. But all of these handbags I purchased in the year 2018, which was last year, which is so bad, so bad. This is what travel nursing gets you, you know? You be making the coins, you don't know how to act no more. But, so yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if y'all would like some more detailed video of a specific bag that I have in my collection, please just let me know and comment in the comment boxes below, and let me know what bag do you want a detailed review on. I already have a review on the Gucci Marmont Matelasse bag, but I have no review on any of the other bags. So if you do want a review on any of the bags here, just let me know. Okay, and I'll be happy to do that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this luxury handbag collection for 2018. Hopefully I slow down this year. I think I'm gonna slow down. But so yeah, so if you enjoyed it, give it a like. Also hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified every single time when I post a new video. Thank you.